Never do that, guys. This is wrong. You push it right here. See this one here? Like a knife. It's gonna cut the lip of the seal. You have to protect the lip. That lip has this spring. See the spring here? Look at any seal. Any seal, you will have a spring like this one. This spring works on the lip to keep the lip in contact with the metal. So when you put again this one way, you can put like this. Has to go this way. You have to use this piece right here. By the way, this piece I made it. Doesn't come with the kit. What is it? This piece right here. This is the wrong one. Where's the other piece? Right here. That's how we do it?
Slide on.
Yeah. So what are you going to do?
So scratch it.
You're going to create some kind of corn right there. And you're going to put the... You have to have corn.
It's like a safety sleeve.
Guys, look at this one. Look here. And then you slide with the whole thing. See now? Now it's not gonna cut. See now? It's not gonna hit. It's not gonna hit the seal.
Where you get that from?
I made one.
You go to Michael's. Furniture store.
No, all right.
This one will work perfect there. When you see that, you're gonna make one like this.
Yes.
This one can make a lot of things.
So that's a quick, safe way of doing it, right?
So this is how you slide all the way, and then you get the seal there. Okay? Yeah. What after this one? And remember, the clip. Avoid the clip moving like this way, because this one may scratch. May. If you're a beginner, I mean, to me, I go all the way down here and put it here. But this is right.
Do you use a sleeve for that too?
Drop it down.
No. Only use the sleeve for the seals. What after this one? The seals. The seal is safe. This is the most important thing. This is more important than the dust proof. You screw this one, it's gonna leak again. The whole job has to start from scratch. The seal, one way to go. So you have to memorize
How to put it back on.
Yeah, the face from the back. Okay? So I'm gonna go like this one. Before you put it, guys, you have to put this one
Put
here.
on your thumb.
So that's how you do it like this.
You're thinking other things.
You have to protect the lip. The lip is very sensitive, guys.
That's called a lip.
You're gonna use one
The
of
lip
those,
of the
huh?
seal, yes.
Yeah, we don't want to afford to get mono. Oh, come on, that's good.
Okay. Here. And then you gotta open it here. Probably. The technical part of this one is more, but anyway, you get my point, guys? Yes. Okay, so let's say this one in. What after this one? The washer. One way to go. Here is flat, and here is rounded. Look at the surface here, it's rounded, curved.
So we're round and pop is the bottom.
So this is down, right? Right. So it's gonna go this way.
So that's the round part sticking at the top.
And then you gotta go with the bushings. Which one? One is wider than the other one. Thin one. Like this.
Why does the thin one go on first?
Why?
Yeah.
Because you want this one to sleep right here. I mean, this one is not gonna work here.
Oh, that's too big.
So this one gonna go. You open it.
The thinner one is wider,
Yeah.
and it goes all the way down.
One is wider than this one. One is wider than the other.
Yes, you gotta put it back on the way you took it off.
Yes.
So one is for
That makes sense.
the bottom seal and one is for the top seal.
So this one's gonna stay. This area has to be very clean. You have to use the towel because more materials here. What's gonna happen is gonna create scratch in the tube. The tube, guys, when it's out, you have to look at it. Be sure there's no scores, there's no lines. If you see lines, that means
Scratch.
the bushing has to have lines too, because the bushing works on this tube. So if any, huh? So if you see anything, okay, perfect.
Not a good idea to do this in a dust storm.
I need to put the O-ring on there. You wouldn't be able to see.
It's gonna be a new one. Guys, in case you wanna change the spring is inside. You wanna make like again, you wanna waste your time and money, you can do that. You wanna make it.
It's nice wear. It wears a nice long time.
You wanna make it softer or harder. Yeah. You gotta pop this cover. And this cover,
Change the spring.
yeah, you pop this cover. It has special range goes here. Look at the head. That head will go to this. See all this.
I want to see how you put the oil in there. You guys
Just pour it,
huh?
Just pour it once you throw this one.
You're done with this one. By the way, again, if you want to change the spring, it's right here. Special tool. So we're doing just the seals for now. So this one here, we need to put this one back, right? Yes. Okay. So it's gonna go like this.
It's like a gun.
Yes.
Like a harpoon.
Hold it.
Commercial break.
It's popped from there. All seals have to have this kind of spring to keep the lip close to this middle piece. Okay, now. So now we need. Remember, guys, look here. That is the. What's called this one? That is the slide, because attached to the axle. That is the tube. See this one here? That's for what? For the bushing. How about this one here? For the seal. So now we need to drive the seal, and the seal is gonna drive the washer, and the washer is gonna drive the bushing in the housing right here. So hold this one here. This one. Remember last time we used this one? Everybody used this one last time?
Yeah.
Please, if you didn't do it, do it. You still have time, because you will do it in front of me in the lab test. This one you cannot do it in this one. You need special tool. Right here. Special tool. Special tool is calibrated to work on this one. Go up. So you can hold this one. Hold this. So guys, here there's the bushings, there's the washer, and that's the seal, right? We need to drive the seal all the way in the housing. Now, how we know how far you need to drive the seal in?
Probably hear it sound.
This tool is already calibrated to drive all this distance till this piece is flushed with this piece. It's already calibrated. So that's how we do it. So you're gonna push all the way here, and you need to drive this piece in.
That's a universal tool? Like
That's a universal tool, and it gives you here the size. The size here, 39 millimeter to 50 millimeter.